Welcome back, knife enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the TWOSUN TS510 folder. At its heart is super premium baller M390 steel, engineered through state-of-the-art vacuum heat treatment and deep cryogenic processing by Baller Special Steel Shanghai. Tested to a rock-solid 60 to 62 HRC for extreme edge retention. It features a meticulously hand-rubbed satin finish. The ergonomic handles are precision-milled from aircraft-grade TC4 titanium alloy, elevated with custom marbled carbon fiber inlays in a striking tactical black and green weave. It utilizes a rock-solid, ultra-reliable titanium frame lock. Let's break down the assembly to inspect the inner engineering. Let's take a closer look inside. This precision insert securely indexes the titanium backspacer. Check out the detail on this high-end carbon fiber. Vibrant green interwoven with deep black. Notice the 3D weight reduction pockets milled inside the scales, delivering perfect balance in hand without sacrificing strength. Here is the heavy-duty titanium frame lock interface. And here is the sculpted pocket clip, custom 3D. Machined from solid TC4 titanium. We'll leave the clip attached for this teardown, running on caged ceramic ball bearings. Our signature pivot system for glass smooth action. Featuring hardened stainless steel washer plates. They feature precision CNC milled race grooves to ensure silky smooth, dynamic deployment, and zero blade play. And here is our signature custom pivot collar. Precision milled from solid TC4 titanium alloy, a staple quality standard across TWOSUN models. Alright, let's get this EDC machine reassembled. Aligning the keyed pivot locking notch. Pro tip on reassembly. The milled bearing track must face inward toward the ceramic bearings. Now, let's dial in the pivot tension for flawless blade centering. Alright. Boom. Absolutely dead center. Time for the slice test. Let's see what this M390 edge can really do out of the box. Laser sharp, glides through with zero resistance. Flawless. That's the power of genuine baller M390 micro-clean steel. Unbeatable wear resistance, extreme toughness, and razor sharpness. Guaranteed performance. At TWOSUN Knives, authenticity is paramount. Every single M390 blade in our lineup is 100% authentic steel sourced from Baller Shanghai, backed by official vacuum heat treatment certificates, verified origin material delivery slips, and full metallurgical test reports. Every single TS510 knife undergoes this strict quality control standard to ensure maximum cutting performance and legendary durability. And here's the best part. The TWOSUN TS510 is live right now on our official auction site. No reserve. Bidding starts at just 99 cents. Head over to secure yours today. Visit our official store at www.twosun-yangjiang.com. Thank you for watching and happy bidding.